Hello, today I'm working in factory to share you a laminator manufacturing. So let's see. So this part is solar panel loading part, loading belt, and this is the main part, the main chamber. This is vacuum pump, and this is heating pump. So you see, pressure meter and the heating pipe connected to the main machine. So this laminator we are testing in factory. This is the heat transfer oil, and this is the unloading part. See, it's running. When panel touches this sensor, it will stop. This is electric part. This for control the chamber up and down. This PLC, see, Siemens PLC and MW power supply. And this is touch screen control center. So let's just see another big laminator. Big one, huge. These two big size is 27 times 87. You see, double chamber. First chamber and second chamber. And this is another one. So we see this huge unloading part. It's very big. And another one. And the loading belt. So our workers are working. Okay, bye-bye.